Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umemezele ukuphela kwekontraga yomsebenzi kakomitjhinara uSithole inyanga epheleleko uMhlolanja. Estatementini esikhitshwe ngumengameli, isiqundu esi sithethwe ngemva kokuvumelana noSithole begodu kusiqundu esizokusiza amaSewula Afrika. Umbuzo njenganje ngokuthi nakuthoma inyanga kaSihlabantangana ngubani ozokuthatha isikhundla sikaSithole. Ngokomthetho sisekelo wanje ukomitjhinara wamapholisa ukhethwa ngumengameli. Kodwana inhlangano ezinye zepolotiki eziphikisako zithibatsho lokho akukhambisani kuhle nendaba zamapholisa zenarha.
The National Development Plan allows for the appointment of an independent panel to interview such candidates and make recommendations to the President. This process was followed during the interviews for the post of Chief Justice and also the National Prosecuting Authority Advocate Batoy. The candidate should be selected on his or her expertise and academic qualifications and not on political affiliation.
There are no minimum criteria or requirements for such a candidate, and the Freedom Front Plus has a problem with that. And the reason is that we have seen that since 2000, coming from Iyatjhayisana up to 2017, before uKhehla Sithole was appointed, we had commissioners who had no previous police experience or expertise.
Bruce David omkhuphulo ozijameleko ngendaba zamapholisa uthi igadango lokuthombela ngathathwa kukhethwa kukamjaphethe. Uthi ukhetha ukuthi kwenziwe njalo ngombana umengameli angezaba nesikhathi esaneleko sokulandela kuhle yonke ikambiso efaneleko yekukhetha umuntu ozokuthatha isikhundla esi.
What one would hope for is that he would appoint someone through a process similar to that by means of which he appointed Shamila Batoy in 2018, or I think it was early 2019. So what he did there was he appointed a selection panel to interview candidates and to make a recommendation to him.
David uthi lokhu kuzokunikela umengameli isikhathi esaneleko sokuyiqalisisa kuhle indaba le nange athatha iniyeleliswa nikelwa zona. Ukusukela ngo-1994 iSewula Afrika ibe nabokomitjhinara zombili lababili kwaphela abanebizelo lobupholisa. uGeorge Fivers owakhethwa ngumengameli walokya uNelson Mandela kanti uKhehla Sithole ube ngewesibili kanti yena ukhethwe ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.